In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently delete your TikTok account on computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your TikTok desktop account. And once you are here, head over to More here on the sidebar and then choose General. Now under General, you can see you have an option to manage account here. Choose this first option, and under Manage Account, here you have control on what you can do with your account. Among the option is this delete account. To delete your account permanently, go ahead and tap on delete, and you'll get this pop-up where you are told your account will be deactivated for 30 days and won't be visible to the public during deactivation. You can reactivate your TikTok account anytime, but after 30 days, your account and data will be deleted permanently. And here are some of the things that you will be able to do and not do during that time. You have to note that by deleting, you'll also lose all your content or media, including all your videos. If you're okay now, go ahead and finalize by tapping on continue. Enter your password to confirm that indeed you are the one making this action before you can finally delete it. So for my case, I won't delete it, but these are the steps you should follow to permanently delete your TikTok account if you no longer need it. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.